press record. Okay. Focus. 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 Light. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then make sure to subscribe and also follow me on my Instagram. Now, we all want flawless skin. Now, getting a flawless skin is very hard sometimes. For some of us it's very easy, but for some other ones it's very difficult, since everybody's skin type is so different, so unique, and the skin is one of the biggest organs. Our skin is very different, everybody's skin is different to each other, and we all want perfect skin. And having a perfect skin just boosts our confidence. You are more happier, and in general you feel much more happier and nicer in general being. I will be looking for developing a skincare routine now, finding a good skincare routine for you skin to see how things work. And skincare routine is depending on how your skin works. So if you have a dry skin, if you have normal skin, oily skin, combination skin, finding what type of skin type you have is very important, because you will know what type of products to buy and what kind of actions to do next, and what kind of things to do as a next step to get a nice even skin tone. And also it will depend what type of products you purchase and what type of products you use, and finding the kind of niche products and niche brands that order to work on your skin. That might be that you will invest in a moisturizer, in an eye cream, in a face scrub, in a cleanser, and I don't know, face mask, etc. So it really depends what type of products you will also use. And I've made a video, like a 3-step skincare video, 3 simple basic steps that you need to follow in order to get a nice skin. I'm gonna leave it here in the eye bar for you below, so you guys go and can check it out. And also an SPF is also very important. When it's sunny out there, you want to protect the skin from the UVA rays, so skincare with the SPF is also good. Some SPF you will find in majority of skincare brands, and also some SPF you will find in makeup brands. Some SPF is in foundations, but to be honest it doesn't really help. It does protect a little bit, but you want to make sure you're protected completely. So investing in an SPF would be also good to not get those marks on your face. Sometimes when you have a spot and then the sun is there on your skin, it will just leave a red mark or just this pigmentation, so you want to avoid that in order to get flawless skin. So just use an SPF, because SPF helps a lot. And I know SPFs are very underrated, nobody talks about it, nobody uses it a lot. Sometimes me personally, I forgot to use an SPF every day as well, but I just put it on my bathroom shelf and I know it's there and I have to use it all single time. Other things that I would do is maybe change my lifestyle. So with lifestyle I mean the things that you eat. So with eating, I would maybe suggest not to eat lots of sugary things, lots of things that contain lots of fat and oil. So have lots of vitamins, have lots of what can you say, fruit and vegetables. Have lots of fruit and vegetables not only is good for your skin, it also is good for your whole body in general. And also with drinking. Now don't drink lots of sugary things such as Coke, Fanta, even though Fanta is one of my favorite things in the world, but cutting down the sugary drinks is great. And also have lots of water. Water is very good. Have water with lemon, have water with mint. Sparkling water is also good. Have lots of fluids in your skin, because the water richly cleans your skin, like from the inside out. So not only it hydrates the body, it also cleans the face and cleans the whole body in general. Another thing I would say is do regularly exercising. Exercising not only makes you happy, keeps you in a nice mindset, it also keeps your whole body clear and literally digest all the food that you have. And with exercising I'm also combining have a regular sleeping pattern, very important to rest your body, to rest basically everything, and basically overnight your body and your skin is rehealing itself, and you will have a perfect new skin when you have a nice 8 hours plus sleep, which I'm trying to do. So if all of this doesn't really work for your skin, just give your skin a break. Now your skin needs a nice break from everything, so don't use anything, just wash your face regularly with water and just see how your face gets on, how your face reacts. If you think that your face is very dry, then yes, go use your moisturizer, very simple basic moisturizer. But in general, if it doesn't really work, just leave it clear, leave it clean, and just follow these steps in order to get a nice flawless skin. But if you think you wanna get perfect skin or a very nice skin polish, so I would suggest you go and check out the dermatologist. Dermatologists, they're more professionals and they know what they're doing and they know what they're talking about, and definitely go and get some professional help. These are all the things that I've followed now, guys. Believe me, I have done this for a very long time. It's been now nearly 2 years I've been following these steps, and it takes time to get a nice flawless skin. It doesn't work like that overnight. You have to give some time and you have to be a little bit more patient. So with this I will end this video. Hope you all enjoyed it, and until next time, we'll see you in the next one.